pi over 2 is less than theta less than pi. So theta is in between 90 degrees and 80 degrees. That means theta is in second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant. Now we need to find the value, exact value of tangent to theta, and the formula is provided. Tangent to theta is equal to 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. So to find tangent to theta, we need to know the value of tangent theta, but it's given sine theta is equal to 5 over 13. So based on this information, we draw a right triangle and find the unknown third side. From there we should be able to find the value of tangent theta, and we come back, use this formula. Okay, so sine theta is 5 over 13, and we know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, and it's in second quadrant, so theta is in second quadrant. 5 over 13, so this is 5 13. Okay, we have a right triangle, 5 over 13, and adjacent is missing a, and from we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That is a squared plus b squared, 5 squared equals c squared, 13 squared. 13 times 13, 169. Okay, and now subtract 25 from both sides, 144. Take a square root, it's 12, but due to the position of our a, that's in the negative x-axis, so this should be negative 12. Now since we have all three sides, we can find the value of any trig function for angle theta, and we look at this formula here, and we need to know what is tangent theta. Okay, then tangent theta is opposite over adjacent, so 5 over negative 12, so negative in the front, 5 over 12. Okay, once we have this down, now we want to find the value of tangent to theta. Tangent to theta is given by this formula, 2 times tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. That is 2 times tangent theta, which is negative 5 over 12, all over 1 minus tangent square theta, so tangent theta quantity squared. Okay, tangent square theta means tangent theta quantity squared, negative 5 over 12. Okay, let's do algebra here. 2 times negative 5 over 12, that's negative, and then 2 divides 12, so 2 times means 2 is on the top, and 2 goes to 1 time and 6 times, so we have negative 5 over 6, that's on the top, all over 1 minus this outside. This is tangent theta square, so negative square means positive, don't have to write. 5 square over 12 square, 5 square 25 over 12 square, 12 times 12, 144. So we need to combine these two fractions. So on the top we have negative 5 over 6 all over 1 minus 25 over 144. So to subtract this fraction from 1, we need to make common denominator, so we multiply this by 144 over 144. Then we have the common denominator 144, 144 minus 25, 144 minus 25 on the top, which is 119. Now this is negative 5 over 6, so when we get rid of this complex fraction, keep, change, flip, so negative 5 over 6, change this into multiplication and flip, so 144 over 119, and just simplify. So in this case 6 on the bottom, 144 looks like 2 divides 6 3 times, 2 divides 72 times. Okay, are there any common factors? 119, that's not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4 or 5, so looks like this is it. So negative 5 times 12 on the top, so the final answer is now negative 3 divides 72, 7 plus 2 9, so 3 divides one more time, so 3 divides one time, 3 divides, just use your calculator, 24 times. Okay, then negative 24 times 5, 120 over 119. Okay, this is improper, but that's all right. Negative 120 over 119, 24 times 5, 120. Okay, fine.